it's One Click Lindsay. So when we talk about a brand's voice, when I say that, a lot of people log off and a lot of other people start yawning because finding your brand's voice can be really kind of like this squishy, nebulous, I don't know what you're talking about. I'll figure it out when I actually start getting some more customers kind of situation. But here's the thing, that if you figure out your brand's voice and you start speaking your brand's voice, that will bring in the customers, it'll bring in the money, and it will start differentiating you. That's a big word, differentiating you from the competition. So it is so important that you develop a brand voice so that people will start coming to you and you don't just blend in with the rest of the competition. So in about 2 seconds, I'm going to be going live in Traffic and Leads University, which is my private Facebook group for those coaches, consultants, and digital service business owners. So I'm giving a Traffic and Leads University only training on how exactly to find your brand's voice, what that looks like, and how to not make it this squishy, uncomfortable, like I'll deal with that later kind of situation, because it's really important now. If you have heard me speak before, you know there's this ocean, right? When you're swimming in the ocean of service business owners, you don't want to be in the red ocean where all the sharks are and sounding like everyone else and offering the same services as every single other people in the red ocean, right? Because in the red ocean, there's blood and there's sharks and everyone's fighting for the same customers. And it can be really, really competitive is what you need to do. And part of doing that successfully is finding a brand voice and attracting people who like you and like your brand's voice and like your authenticity. I'm not going to try to use that word so much. I really hate inauthentic. I really hate that word, but it's a good point, okay? You need to find your brand's voice that will take you out of the shark-infested, highly competitive ocean of red and bring you into the blue ocean waters, because you are differentiating yourself from your competitors. Now, there's a lot of other ways to come out of the red ocean and into the blue ocean, and finding your voice is just one of those, but please do not put it off. It is so important to find your brand's voice. And if you join me over in Traffic and Leads University, it is my free Facebook group. Go to trafficandleadsuniversity.com. There's a link there that'll take you right to the Facebook group. Put your email or put your website in, because I got to make sure you're a coach, a consultant, or digital service business owner. And if you're just working things out, let me know in the notes and I'll let you right in. But I'm about to hop into that training. Like I said, I will give you easy ways to find your brand's voice and start working on that today. It's really important. And I promise if you hop over into university, I'll make it super unsquishy, right? Super like, oh, that's only for big companies to worry about. Friends, it's not. It's important for you to worry about, and I want to see you in university. So go to trafficandleadsuniversity.com, and I will see you on the training. Now, if you're seeing this on a replay, #replay, you can go, and even though I'm giving the training live right now, you will definitely be able to see the replay in university. But first, you have to get in there. Hey, Lauren. Hey, Karen. All right. I'll see you guys in about 2 seconds. Talking about brand, how to unlock your brand's voice, and why it is so freaking important, and how it can bring you more clients for your coaching, consulting, or digital service business. Okay? All right. See you later.